Okay, here we go. You try to hit the apple off of my head. Hey, that was pretty good. Try 2 for 2. Oh! Oh, you cross-eyed jerk. You gone done hit me in the eye. Put that slingshot away before you hurt yourself. Try something else. Oh, oh. Oh, you inbred bastard. You almost made me spill my beer. You get better aim with my 357. Oh! The pieces of glass in my eye aren't so bad. But that was my last cold beer. Alright, last time. Hey, what are you doing with that? That was pretty cool. Try that again, huh? That was my brand new truck. As soon as I pick this shrapnel out of my ass, I am gonna give you such a whooping. You don't go anywhere now. Hey, I'm talking to you.